Success, success, success. People are running behind success. Everybody wants to be successful. But let me tell you the truth. If you really want to be successful, you need to stop reading success stories. You've heard me right. If you really want to be successful, you need to stop reading success stories. I'm not against these success stories. I'm against the mindset which most of the people create. After reading the successful stories of their favorite entrepreneurs, so many people want to imitate their success formulas, which is really dangerous. We have to realize that we are different individuals. Our mindset is different, situation is different, circumstances are different, governments are different, taxes are different, geography is different. In fact, our ground reality is completely different. So we cannot simply imitate somebody and become successful. Okay, here's the thing. To be successful, you need to study failures. It's a simple science. You'll get to know where you don't have to go. Almost everybody, I, you, everybody out there, people who are watching this video, everybody knows what to do. But very few people know what not to do. And success lies there. I'm really surprised that your favorite motivational speakers, self-help gurus, best-selling authors are not highlighting failures. Though 90% of startups fail. This includes United States and India. We shouldn't only see the business that do well, we should also see that couldn't do well, so that we don't repeat the same mistakes. I know about so many people, about so many companies. They were passionate, they were focused, they were disciplined. They had all those qualities which your favorite motivational speakers tell you to have, but they still couldn't succeed. Because there can be 100 different reasons which you are never told about. So it's better to study the businesses which couldn't do well. It's better to study those people who were really good at technical things but still couldn't become successful entrepreneur. It's better to study the mistakes made by the unsuccessful ones so that we don't repeat the same and fail miserably.